This is one of my kids' favorite games, and honestly, one of mine as well, because it keeps my children playing cooperatively instead of competitively, which means there isn't typically any arguing or fighting involved, and everybody actually has a good time. Another thing that I really love about it is you cannot lose the instructions. How clever was this that they just installed them directly on the box? And the box is also, it's very well put together, like it's not cheaply made, so it's holding up really well, despite, often the corners will come loose, and then you have a less effective box. Not this one. No, Hoot Owl Hoot has so far been an absolute hit. And just like it says, why cooperative games? Because just everybody has more fun. It's also made out of friendly materials. So, this game is literally doing everything right. And it does say best for ages 4+, but my 3-year-old has this game completely cased. It's simple. It's really well made. They have to work together to get the to accomplish the goal before the sun rises, is I believe what it is. Yes, that's exactly it. So everything's color based. So as soon as your kid knows their colors, they can effectively play this game. And as a homeschooling family with mixed ages, we absolutely love it. It's one of our favorite games to play. It's really well made. It kind of checks all of the boxes of things that you might want in a board game for kids of various ages. Like, my kids are between the ages of 3 and 9, and they can play it in usually 15 to 20 minutes, and everybody's happy, and there's no arguments, and I do highly recommend. Hello, kitty kitty.